If the sound is not working in Free Fire on your Android phone, don't worry. Let's go through the fixes step by step. First of all, check the in-game sound settings. Open Free Fire and tap the gear icon to go into settings. Then go to the sounds section and increase all the shaders, music, sound effects and voice to 100%. Make sure everything is turned up properly. If you are having issues with voice chat, check during a match that the microphone and speaker icons are turned on. If certain sounds like gunshots or footsteps are missing, go back to the lobby and open the download center. Make sure all the audio packs are fully downloaded. Sometimes missing resources can cause sound problems. Now let's check your Android system settings. First, make sure your media volume is turned up, not just your ringtone volume. Use the volume buttons and confirm that media sound is high. Next, try switching between sound, vibrate, and silent modes. Toggle between them once or twice to clear any possible system audio glitches. If you are using Bluetooth headphones, disconnect them. Sometimes the audio gets stuck in a Bluetooth connection. Even if you are not actively using the headphones, you can also turn Bluetooth off and back on to reset it. If you are using a Samsung or supported Android device, go to Settings, then Sounds and Vibration, then Sound Quality and Effects, and turn on Dolby Atmos for gaming. Enabling this can sometimes fix audio issues. Now for app troubleshooting, go to Settings, then Apps, App Management or Manage Apps, depends on your phone model. Then find Free Fire from the list. Tap on it, tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the problem. If that doesn't work, restart your phone to clear temporary bugs. And if the issue is still there, uninstall and reinstall the game to fix any corrupted files. Finally, check your hardware. Clean your phone's speaker holes gently with a soft brush to remove any dust. You should also test your microphone using a voice recorder app to make sure it's working properly outside the game. That's it for this tutorial. If this helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.